Hello and welcome to Mary Morrissey Studio. I taught you how to make a cauliflower pizza crust, and this is part 2. We're going to finish it off. First, we're going to start with a no sugar added marinara sauce and completely cover our cauliflower crust. You can use as much or as little as you prefer. Next, we're going to add some vegetables. In this case, I'm using a purple onion. I like the taste of them, but you could add asparagus, chopped tomatoes, mushrooms, olives, whatever you'd like. Then I'm going to add some pre-sliced pepperoni slices. I'm going to be generous with that. Now, since this version uses no kitchen utensils, I purchased the pre-shredded mozzarella. We're placing that onto our pizza. If you want, you can add a second type of cheese as well. Cheddar is always a nice little kick. And you've got it. I'm adding a second layer of pepperoni. Now you've already preheated your oven to 425. I put it in the middle rack. You're going to cook it for 15 to 20 minutes at 425. And then when it's done, you should have the perfect cauliflower pizza. I hope you found this enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe. Yummy.